I'm Dr. M.K. Murali, Assistant Professor of Physics, J.J. College of Arts and Science, Pudukottai. The title of course Advanced Physics. The Advanced Physics deal with laser, optical fiber communication, and nonlinear optics. The nonlinear optics to study the characteristics and properties of nonlinear material. Laser. Laser is the abbreviation for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Characteristics of laser: highly monochromatic, highly directionality, highly intensity, highly coherent optical source. Highly monochromatic, it has a single wavelength. Highly directionality, the laser beam travel in only one direction. Highly intensity, the power delivered per unit area is constant. Highly coherent optical source, then the phase difference between the wave is a constant. Stimulated emission was postulated by Einstein as early as in 1917. In 1960, a solid-state Ruby laser developed by Maiman on this principle. In 1961, a gas helium laser is developed by Alijavan and others in Bell Telephone Laboratories. Principle of laser: absorption, spontaneous emission, stimulated emission. Absorption: the process of exciting atom to higher energy level by absorbing the stimulating the incident photon is known as stimulated absorption of radiation. Spontaneous emission: the transition of excited atom by itself to lower energy level is known as spontaneous emission. Stimulated emission: the excited atom after getting stimulated by the incident photon transits lower energy level by emitting photon is known as stimulated emission. Kinds of laser: among the various kinds of laser, some important types of laser are listed below. Solid state laser, ruby laser. Gas laser, example CO2 laser and helium laser. Liquid laser, europium laser. Dye laser, Cumerian laser and argon laser. Semiconductor laser, example indium phosphate laser. Difference between the laser and light: laser is a monochromatic, light is a polychromatic. It is a coherent, it is an incoherence, highly energized, poorly energized. Stimulated emission, spontaneous emission, can be sharply focused, cannot be sharply focused. Application of laser: the laser can be used in communication, industry, medicine and military operation. In communication, the optical fiber communication laser bandwidth is very high compared to the radio and microwave communication. As it has a large bandwidth, more amount of data can be sent. Next, industry. In industry, the laser can be used to drill, cut and drill the material. Laser can be used to drill holes in diamond and hard steel. Medicine. Laser have been used for various medical procedures including plastic surgery, nerve stimulation, ophthalmology and surgical procedure. In military operation, laser serve as a war weapon. High energy laser being employed to destroy the enemy aircraft and missiles. Advantage of laser: lasers are used to cut the glass and drill the holes in ceramics. Lasers are used for bloodless surgery and in destroying the kidney stones and gallbladder stones. Lasers are used to study the internal structure of microorganisms and cells. Lasers are used in air pollution to estimate the size of the particles. Disadvantage of laser: lasers are known to be dangerous to the atmosphere and health. Laser printers are very costly when compared to the other printers. When running a laser machine, a small amount of ozone are generated which can damage the ozone layer.